Alam, pag tinatanong ako, naiyak. Ito kasi. Huwag niyo na nga akong kausapin. Charot.
It was the end of December. Oh. But count the days till dawn.
Nainis ako sa kanya kasi nag-story siya. Nakita ko tuloy yung itsura niya.
I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew, I never knew.
Erika Raquel, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Louie J na narito ngayon na dinsunod sa batas at mga alintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Ayan na siya. Time of death.
I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. Yeah, I never knew, no, I never knew, no, I never knew.
Ayan na.
May iiyak ko eh. Hindi ko naiyak nung isang araw eh, kaya baka today, oo, ngayon ko iiyak.
Madam B, penging tissue. Ikaw. Bye ka. See you there. Perla.
I know it's been a long road. Sometimes it feels like it never ends, but I promise that there's still hope, my friend. If you can't walk on your own or get knocked down, just always know
Pag tinatanong mo ako, doon nagsisingit sa akin.
I will carry you home.
Inubos ko na yung luha ko para mamaya wala na. Kasi mas maraming tao mamaya. Ayoko umiyak kasi sayang thank you sa pag-support niyo sa akin lagi. And pag gusto ko niyo. Marami akong tutunan at sana madala ko siya sa sa pamilya ko. Dapat di ako iyak nung dito pa lang umiyak na ako. Paano magsandisan?
Practice.
I
love you so much. And I'm very happy na dumating ko araw na to. Hanggang sa huli, sana makikita at mamahali pa. I love you so much.
Yes, Steve.
Si Louie at Erika hindi nila kaya na sila lang. Kakayanin nila sa tulong ng inyong panalangin, sa tulong ng inyong mga pagsusumako, na sa tulong ng grasya ng Diyos, sila'y manatiling tapat sa isa't isa sa kasalinang tinanggap mula sa araw na ito.
Love, thank you so much sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa atin and sa patience mo din every day. So, ayun. I love you so much and I'm so excited to see you.
Oh, there's a million stars up over our heads. Still I would find you right here all over again under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true.
Thank you for giving us the dream wedding na
Falling for you.
pinlan natin together. Kahit na ang daming nangyari.
Huwag mong papabayaan.
Opo dito,
Yeah.
hindi po mangyayari yan.
Oh, it's forever as far as eyes can see.
Love you so much.
Hindi. Sorry din lang.
Okay. Yun lang. Thank you. Shit! Let's go party na.
Oh, there's a million stars up over our heads. Still I would find you right here all over again under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true that I'll always be falling for you. I'll always be falling for you.
Promise hindi na ako masyado
Ano?
mainit ulo.
Okay.
And I'll try to be the best wife for you and make you happy.